What's the meaning of Buffalo Bill? Buffalo Bill. Buffalo Bill.
Buffalo Bill. Buffalo Bill. Buffalo Bill is a well-known nickname that refers to William Frederick Cody, a legendary American frontiersman and showman who lived in the late 1800s. He earned the nickname Buffalo Bill for his skill and reputation as a buffalo hunter, but he is perhaps best known for creating and starring in Buffalo Bill's Wild West show, which toured the United States and Europe and featured live reenactments of cowboy life, Native American culture, and frontier battles. Cody's legacy has been both celebrated and criticized for its role in shaping popular conceptions of the American West and its treatment of Native peoples.